Farooq Abdullah sparked a massive row after he said that Chinese support Article 370 can be restored in J&K. All this as tension still simmers. Here's more.
As tense face-off at border with China continues to simmer and our soldiers set to brave the winter chill, National Conference founder and sitting MP Farooq Abdullah has stirred a massive controversy by invoking China's help to help restoring Article 370 repealed by Modi government.
उन्होंने आर्टिकल 370 को लेकर ये कहा कि हमें ये कबूल नहीं है और जब तक आप आर्टिकल 370 को रिस्टोर नहीं करेंगे हम रुकने वाले नहीं हैं। अल्लाह करे कि उनके इस जोर से हमारे लोगों को मदद मिले और हमारा ये 370 और 35A रिस्टोर हो।
Not only that, he termed Chinese aggression at the LAC a byproduct of abrogation of Article 370.
मैंने तो चीन के प्रेसिडेंट को कभी यहाँ बुलाया नहीं। हमारे वजीर आज़म ने उसको गुजरात भी बुलाया, उसे झूले पे भी बिठाया, उससे चेन्नई भी ले गए, वहाँ भी उसको खूब खिलाया, मगर उन्हें वो पसंद नहीं आया।
Farooq Abdullah's statement faced flack from experts and rival political parties.
Mr. Abdullah has a habit of being rather provocative at times in the hope that this will get him the reaction, this will shake up the establishment in India and give him, the kind of stuff which he's used to being getting from successive governments in India, a kind of an impunity that he could do whatever he wanted to do in Jammu and Kashmir, and there were no questions going to be asked of him.
Abdullah was released from 7-month-long detention in March after he was slapped with Public Safety Act following the abrogation of Article 370 in August last year.
It is not the first time when the former J&K Chief Minister and the Member of Parliament Farooq Abdullah has spoken in favor of the China. In fact, earlier he said that the people of Jammu and Kashmir will prefer to live with China instead of India. Today, in the shocking revelation, the former Chief Minister once again said that he is hopeful that China will help in restoring Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. Ashraf Ani, for India Today, Srinagar.
Meanwhile, BJP launched a stinging attack on Farooq Abdullah for his statement. Listen in to Sambit Batra.
ये चचेरे ममेरे भाई हैं। अगर मैं फारूक अब्दुल्ला कहता हूं तो फारूक अब्दुल्ला एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के नेता ऐसा कहते हैं, ये बात नहीं। आप अगर इतिहास में जाएंगे और राहुल गांधी जी के भी स्टेटमेंट्स को हाल फिलहाल में सुनेंगे तो आप पाएंगे कि फारूक अब्दुल्ला और राहुल गांधी में ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है। ये एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं। As far as Farooq Abdullah and Rahul Gandhi are concerned, they are two sides of the same coin. एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू, दोनों के इसी प्रकार के वचन रहे हैं। मोदी जी से घृणा करते करते अब ये हद हो गई है कि ये लोग अब देश से घृणा करते हैं, अब ये भारत से घृणा करते हैं, अब ये हिंदुस्तान से घृणा करते हैं।
I want to connect to my colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's joining us. Kamal, what is the defense coming in from the NC in this? Any word at all? Because what he did say does sound borderline seditious.
Well, yes, he has ruffled feathers, and more than that, remember, this reaction comes in because, remember, NC, PDP, they've all been voicing, and even before Article 370 was abrogated, they were making statements, and the reason for their detention has been said because they would be opposing and gathering ground support. But clearly, Farooq Abdullah has been out in the open since March. Since then, we've seen his son has been out since March, and he's been out since much earlier. But we've seen both the father-son talk about reasons, and this time it's clearly to rile up Indian leadership. It's clearly to create a sort of storm. But Farooq Abdullah is not new to controversy. He's always taken a different path. But at this point of time, he knows very well this is going to draw some very strong reaction, and that is what has really happened from the BJP. So in a sense, NC is also looking at election. They are also looking at gathering ground momentum. And since there is a larger feeling, or at least the leadership believes the ground feeling is still for Article 370, and that is why the tone and tenor of Farooq Abdullah is to beat the ground realities in Kashmir Valley at least. And that is why he's made that particular statement. So he's going to stand that ground. But what is the government going to do about it? There have been leaders who've been in detention. They've been out now. Mehbooba Mufti continues to be in PSA. So clearly, this is going to now further agitate the leaders who are also drawing in the likes of Rahul Gandhi, comparing Sonia Gandhi going to Beijing. At this point of time, this is obviously a controversial comment. But remember, Farooq Abdullah is looking at ground realities from perspective of voters, from perspective of getting ground support, which NC clearly wants ahead of the elections in Jammu and Kashmir.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.